In the heart of 19th-century London, a city teeming with crime and chaos, the necessity for a new approach in the realm of law enforcement was desperately needed. The streets were riddled with petty theft, burglary, and murder, leaving the city's population in a perpetual state of fear and uncertainty. The criminal justice system, however, was ill-equipped to handle the influx of crime, relying heavily on antiquated methods and outdated ideas. Enter Dr. John Scott Russell, a man of science and inquisitive mind, driven by the desire to bring order to the chaos. His innovative approach to criminal investigation would forever change the landscape of criminology. Russell, a chemist by trade, was well versed in the study of chemical reactions and their implications. He began to apply this knowledge to the field of criminal investigation, searching for a way to unravel the mysteries that had long confounded the authorities. One fateful day, a particularly heinous crime caught the attention of the entire city. A high-profile murder had taken place, and the perpetrator remained at large. The police were at a loss, but Russell saw an opportunity. He embarked on a mission to gather evidence from the crime scene, meticulously collecting samples and making detailed observations. He examined the bloodstains, the position of the body, and even the state of the victim's clothing. Back in his laboratory, he subjected the evidence to a series of chemical tests. To the amazement of all who witnessed it, he was able to deduce the identity of the murderer and the manner in which the crime was committed. Word of Russell's groundbreaking work spread throughout London, and soon, he was called upon to consult on other cases. The police were astounded by his ability to solve cases that had long stumped them, and the public began to take notice. Russell's methods revolutionized the way crimes were investigated, and his work laid the foundation for the modern field of forensic science. His innovative approach to crime solving, based on the principles of chemistry and evidence collection, would forever change the course of criminal investigations. In the years that followed, forensic science would continue to evolve and grow, becoming a cornerstone of the criminal justice system. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Dr. John Scott Russell, whose pioneering work in the field of criminology has left an indelible mark on the world.